How to create a circle or an ellipse in Adobe Photoshop completely for free in less than 1 minute. Open Adobe Photoshop, drag your photo, and then click the marquee tool or this icon right here. I'll leave a shortcut on the screen below. And then hold down on the screen and drag to create a circle and then release. And then once you have this, you can right click and you can click layer via new copy and it creates a new layer. I'm unlocking the background and I'm going to change the color of the background by clicking G, gradient. And there we go. As you can see, we created a circle. If you want to change the color of the circle, you have to right click your layer and click convert to smart object or then rasterize it. Click G, go under to your color and then change the color to red and then click. And now you created a circle in image in Adobe Photoshop for free. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tutorials like this.